Dear teachers and my lovely students, we all are going through a very rough phase of our life due to this COVID 19. As human, we must accept finite disappointments in our life but never lose infinite hopes. One should always be ready to face adversities and challenges. A person who has not encountered difficulties in life can never achieve success. Difficulties test the courage, patience, perseverance, and the true character of life. Adversities and hardships make a person strong to face the challenges in life. I am sure this phase will get over soon. Remember, your biggest assets are your enthusiasm that enriches your positive thinking. Never lose hope. Keep cheerful. Put the best possible efforts with your total involvement. Have confidence in you and you will be the winner. Thank you. Jai.
The pandemic COVID 19 has spread its emblem across the universe, due to which we are forced to stay in isolation. This period of lockdown facilitated a change in the teaching learning process. Hello everyone, I, Tanvi Singh, student of class 12, Army Public School Sukna, would like to share my part of experience. Online classes are really the need of the hour today because it helps in utilizing our time in this homebound situation. Every day, two assignments of each subject are given by our teachers and we need to submit it by the given deadline. This learning process also helps us to understand the importance of time management in our life. But there is a little difference between an online class to that of a normal class. In normal class, we can indulge in face-to-face interaction. We can directly connect with the teachers and ask questions on the topic to expand insight on the subject. But we can clear our questions and queries in online class as well. But the absence of physical interaction marks the difference here. The situation bound scenario has forced us to do this, but I am really thankful to my school and the teachers for their initiative and cooperation in this hard time. May their initiative and cooperation gives us the courage and strength to work much harder, and may we pass out with flying colors. Thank you.
Good morning. I am Ms. Alka Pradhan, PGT Biology teacher, Army Public School, Sukna. Today, my country is facing multiple challenges due to the COVID-19 pandemic. The present-day condition has given birth to demanding academic situations wherein I, as a bio teacher who so much relies on lab, on interactive classes, active participation by students, healthy discussions to discriminate knowledge, is now devoid of all these effective means. My students too, without the above educational means, have a new challenge to crest over. However, notwithstanding the obstacles that I and my students face, the need of the hour is to mitigate them. Innovative changes and metamorphosis a new educational system that has its background on the educational architecture. The system of teaching has its own exacting condition, but I, their guru, cannot be cawed and intimidated by the situation. I can exploit the online resources and utilize them as effective educational leverage. During the lockdown period, as a teacher, I have been able to initiate, execute, upgrade educational modules as planning of e-lessons, finalizing assignments, preparing informative videos, even making audio lessons. Me and my colleagues have capitalized on the e-tools and multimedia interactive means like Skype, Google Hangout, etc. So we are able to establish a real-time connect with our students. This entire educational system has taken a huge leap from classroom to e-learning. This system enables the teacher to establish equal contact with all of its students. No differentiation between the front benchers or the back benchers, slow learners or quick learners. The system is super transparent, so well balanced and symbiotic. For the students too, as the CBSE has stated, it is the golden period. Their home is their learning center. They have time, unlimited resources in their hand. They can learn at their own pace, own space, no peer pressure, no distraction. They have time to develop and enhance their creative self. I see an educational evolution happening where we are undergoing systematic, progressive development. I see a development of new skills in me, both in the technical and academic arena, skills that will definitely equip and enhance my teaching style to take up the future challenges. Thank you. Stay safe, stay healthy. We shall definitely overcome this tough period. Jai Hind.
A very good afternoon to one and all students. I hope you are all doing good. At this hour of crisis, I request all of you to kindly focus on the online classes, do your assignments as per the instructions given by the teachers, and please make the best use of this time. Once again, stay safe and thank you very much.
Hello everyone, I am Rosni Shah, PGT English, Army Public School, Sukna. If I have to talk about the role of technology in present crucial period, then I would say it has proved to be a boon to us. It is through technology that we are communicating with our students. We know that we are not able to continue with our traditional way of teaching, but still, in this period, we are able to take some benefit from online classes. I know it is not going to be as much helpful as traditional teaching, because there we connect with our students emotionally and we can talk to them directly so that we can understand their expressions as well, which has a great role to play in teacher-student relationship. The time that we have right now, we should utilize it constructively. It is because after decades we have got this opportunity to be with our family members, especially our grandparents. They are very rich in experience. We can get much knowledge from them regarding our culture, regarding our language, regarding our tradition. And not only this, but we can see our latent talent. What are the desires that we wanted to accomplish? We should hone our skills now and then. Already teachers are updating and upgrading, but apart from that, we should see our personal interests as well. At last, I would like to say, change is the law of nature. So, this corona situation is also going to change. It will get destroyed very soon by our precautions. So, take care, stay home. Jai Hind.
Today we will cover the first lesson, The Lost Child, from the supplementary book Moments. The Lost Child is written by Mulk Raj Anand.
This particular source and
Yes, sir.
time will get wasted.
Yes, sir.
So
I remember a story a man from Udupi once told me. As a young boy,
indexing in NumPy array. Now I will see how to access elements in one-dimensional array.
and many more. Similarly, human geography with political, cultural, social, and economic aspects. Now these two branches have subcategories as well. I will not go into the detail of each category, I will broadly tell you what they are just as a general information. Physical geography includes hydrography, oceanography, pedology, and many more. Similarly, human geography includes social geography, cultural geography, development geography, economic geography, geopolitics, demography, urban geography.
That is chapter number 3, Fiber to Fabric. In this chapter, we will study about different fibers, variety of fabrics that we get from fibers.
This chapter talks about bravery, it talks about courage and determination. And whenever we talk about valor and courage, we are reminded of a very famous quote from William Shakespeare's play, which is uttered by Julius Caesar. Cowards die many times, while the brave test death but once.
Holly, Easter, Holly.
Have understood is about evaporation. Yes, we have understood what are the factors that affect.
Now I'll continue from there only. You have learnt about the gomastas. There is a question also expected from there. So now we will talk about the weavers and their
blocks of tens and 2 blocks of ones. So we have 72 in ones.
A sentence begins with a capital letter. A capital letter is a letter that's big. A capital letter is not a small letter. A capital letter is big, big, big. A sentence ends with a period or an exclamation or a question mark.
In connection with the online teaching classes. During this lockdown, one thing should be borne in mind is that the children may be caught up in different places with the internet connectivity may not be apt.
Before I start my class, I want to do a small recapitulation what we did yesterday.
Good morning, children. Hope you all are doing well. So today we will be starting with the second chapter of Term 1 syllabus for English of class 3. And the name of the chapter is The Inauspicious Justice.
Means fair treatment. Inauspicious means unlucky. Witty means clever and
this food is so tasty. Mama cooks very delicious food. Do you know who cooks food for the plants? I've never seen plants eating anything. You're right. Nobody cooks for plants. They make them one of the most important things on the planet Earth. Without plants, there would be no food to eat and no oxygen for animals to breathe.
ये क्या छूट जाएगा ना कॉमन ये तीनों को इंटू कर
हिंट की कर रहा है कौन पे कुछ लिखा है
इंग्लिश को दे राइट द नेम ऑफ द टू फ्रूट्स
श्यामा दोनों बड़े ध्यान से चिड़िया को वहाँ आते जाते देखा करते।
रीडिंग को ध्यान से सुनना।
And now let us look at some self-prevention method. The first and the foremost thing is use face mask. So you should always use face mask to protect yourself from this disease. And the main thing is to wash your hand using any soap or hand wash that you have. It is very easy to wash your hand using hand wash, but you should always wash your hands for at least 20 seconds and do it in a proper way.
Or in a place where you don't have any soap or hand wash, you can instead use alcohol-based hand sanitizer to cleanse your. Thing is that you should always avoid crowded places and maintain social distancing.
Good morning everyone. Today I am going to recite a poem about this epidemic that is occurring in this whole world. My name is Sarmisha Chanda. I am from class 12 Commerce in APS Sukna. The title of the poem is Pandemic in the World, and now I recite the poem. People fear pandemic which made all chaotic. Many left the world, their demise was like a sword. Parents and children locked in, alike the animals caged within. Starvation are everywhere, humanity has come to share. Children are leaving, this is something new they are experiencing. The cause to this situation is far, but we should learn from it at par. Solution is in our hand. We should never make ourselves strand. Thank you.
My salutations to everyone. Today, I'm going to speak a few words on the present pandemic situation, COVID-19. We should be non-violent in mind, deeds and words. We should never hurt others and should keep ourselves clean internally as well as externally. This moment we are idle, so we should not go outside our house and stay inside. Also, if we see the positive side, we are getting a lot of time to spend with our beloved ones. Lastly, I appeal from my school, Army Public School Sukna, that we are in this situation together. We will fight the situation together. Also, a special thanks to all the doctors, nurses, health workers, police, media and people involved with delivery services. Jai Hind, we will fight this together. Keep safe. Thank you.
Very important, children, because when two field lines intersect each other, it means what? At a one point, magnet has two directions, which is not possible. That's why while we
electrode is connected with the positive end of the battery. The one which is connected with the positive end is called anode, and the one which is connected with the negative end is known as cathode.